Pose. Pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Queen and REBORN. You don't really know what time it is. If you don't know what time it is, then why are you on my channel? You don't know what time it is, then why are you on my channel? Get off my channel if you don't know what time it is. We're back again with another video. Today's video we hear what? It was strawberries. They look the same. Because I said I was going to put KK in that. So that's why. Tonight. We're making s'mores because I got a sweet tooth. And I don't need to have a sweet tooth because I got all these silver teeth. But mind your business. Okay. She still have her Christmas outfit on. But still her business too. So let's go. Now we're going to start. So this is our place. You have the plate. Graham crackers. Jumbo marshmallows. And 2 Hershey chocolates for something that's special. But 2 Hershey chocolates. Okay, step 1. We're going to get the graham crackers and spread it out. And it's not been a lot of steps. It's not like the making gum thing. It's not like steps. Because you know we have like a little bit of stuff. 3 ingredients to do in 1 step. Because all you have to do is put it in the microwave 1 time. So, yeah. I didn't expect it to be in 1 pack. It's not in 1 pack. I don't need scissors. Got my handy dandy silver teeth. Okay. I can't.
Wow.
Oh. Okay, guys, we got the cracker. Woo! Okay, guys, we got the crackers. Now we're going to put the chocolate, step 2. Okay, guys, we got the chocolate. Woo! Step 3, marshmallows. Put the marshmallows on the chocolate. You're big. Okay, guys, this is the next step, step 4. But not supposed to put them in for too long, because you might burn the marshmallows. Like when you actually do like a fire and you're putting it over there, you know how your marshmallow get burnt? That's because you're putting it in there too long. It's the same thing like this. Your marshmallow might get burnt. It's like a fire. So we're just gonna put it on for 6 seconds. And press 6. Yo, that was not enough. We're gonna try 10 seconds. 4. Because I only have to really put it in the microwave 1 time. Beat by 1. Beat. See how they're hot?
Wow!
Okay, guys, this is step 5. Right now, we're about to start putting the tops on. made this before a lot of times. Okay, guys, and this is what this should look like. Microwave s'mores. You don't see that. Look, guys. Okay, guys, now it's time for taste test, which is step 6. To that time. We'll try again. But we actually do make these a lot. Like every time we go on vacation, we make these. If we're just chilling outside and we get bored and we're hungry, we make s'mores. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to share on Instagram and Facebook. Have y'all ever made s'mores before? Okay, guys, that's the end of this video. So if you like this video, hit a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the like button, and for sure, Instagram and Facebook, make s'mores. It's good.